her she belly, now me feeling the tightness. Me think me really like this.
I'm not gonna lie, look like I really like it for real. You know, boom, what's the word to Mr. Water Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back in the with another video for you guys. So today we're gonna hear the reaction from Prince Swanny. The song is called, what have I sung the people? Shy. You feel me? Been off your mate, but finally we get it set up. I could do this video live for you right now, but I'll try the record feature first. Then we can go live and do marathon reactions right now. So big up to yourself. Thanks for the patience. We'll get straight to the video right now. Let's chat things. This is me and say Prince Swanny, Shy. We can full screen that real quick. So I'll go off it right now. Big up the whole I train about as usual. I say big up Swan that. Let's get straight to it. Run show. You know we like those already. Go on, mama. I'm sure say the diamond's real people. It is. We're not past too much. Go on and run it through
now. Can't believe say Shy. My girl, me can't see.
I must him girl this. No, I'm girl this. I must him girl this the blood clot because ain't no possible way. Ain't no what? Possible way. Let's go.
Tonight, me plus you will bring the steam in the light. I believe trust, boo, but me can do it for the vibe. Sometimes she will turn her teeth for the ride. Hoping that she belly, now me feeling the tightness. Me think me really like this.
Me not gonna lie, look like I really like it for real. It look like I really like it for real, Swan. Me not gonna lie. It's like you're running up on a different level. But go on.
She pussy like a vibe script. Lie down, yeah, me why you lie down. Big cocky in the like a tight mouth.
Lie down, girl, why you lie down? Hey, big cocky in a little tight mouth. Go back a bit. What up and go back again?
Lie down, yeah, me why you lie down. Big cocky in the like a tight mouth. Pretend it, girl, if it was the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂. Cause tonight, my girl, me know why you sign out.
Go on.
The pussy tight to fuck without the lights out.
Alright.
Me come in your world like a python. We love it every time when we a drive out. Love it when they give me deep truth without the license.
Nice. We love when she give the whole run back a little bit.
The lights out. Me come in your world like a python. We love it every time when we a drive out. Love it when they give me deep truth without the license. Can't believe say Shy. My girl, me can't see it in the eyes. Me plus you will bring the steam in the light. I believe trust, boo, but me can do it for the vibe. Sometimes she will turn her teeth for the ride.
No, you can't tell me say name girl this. The level of things are going on that video, you can't tell me say name girl this. I mean, nobody say. The level of things that I say I go right, sir. You cannot tell me say I name girl this dog. I'm woman. Right, Joe?
Open that she belly, now me feeling the tightness. Me think me really like this. She pussy like a vibe script. How it grip me so tight, me no really want she feel live. Love how she fight with herself and she have to put on the jeans.
You know that feeling when the pum just grip you? When the pum just grip you, you have to say, Mama, clap, mama. How want you do me suffer? How want me do to you? You know that feeling there? Yeah, man.
Loving it, me really think me lucky. Every night she that's what the vice that what make she happy. No bother she, cause right now your big booty clapping. She never.
Yeah, man, him fuck after that video though. Him crap. He cracked them cheeks after the video though. Him cracked them cheeks after the video though. Nobody can tell me nothing. Them cheeks they get crack up. Crack up.
Feel this way there with no other body, yeah. But on some real life shit. Only me alone can make you feel like this.
One girl.
Only me alone. Only me alone can make me live in a your world, girl. Only me alone. Only me alone. Only me alone. I figure come in a your world, girl.
Only pants. Only one flipping there, what baby girl. The man that try to enjoy himself, you know, like the stripper got him for now. Yeah, for the stripper, sorry for disrespecting a woman if a woman, my G. Then me I say, I don't say fuck after every day. They can't tell me. She had the one of activities there that go on with the bag of antics in front of you. I know crap. Your crap buns.
Only me alone, I figure come in a young girl. Only me alone, only me alone, only me alone. But make me live in a young girl. Only me alone, only me alone, only me alone. Can make me live in a young. Can't believe so shy. My girl, me can't see it in her eyes. Me plus you will bring the steam in the light. I believe trust, but me can't do it for the vibe. Sometimes she will turn her teeth for the ride. Hoping that she belly know me feeling the tightness. Me think me really like this. She pussy like a vibe script.
It's gripping, baby. Get me I say it's gripping. It's gripping. Gripping. Go on.
Can't believe, can't believe,
Like that.
can't believe.
Mad.
Let's see how to
But
convert.
what the fuck, we know what you have to say. People, we can't see it in our eyes. You know what I say? You know what I say? Pretty Swanny mumbo clap people. Everybody look up for yourself here, man. They are not a long reaction, but you know me give you a little video. You know what I say? No. You know what I'm going to drop that video for now? I'm going to lie. I'm give you a marathon reaction. We will call it Prince Swanny Marathon. Straight Swan dance and I'm going to react to phone. They message so come support the chat. Soon another bumbo clap. We see up on the live. I'm going to live right after the video drop. So when you see that video and watch the video right now, live. Come on. Soon another video.